Choosing a first self-defense tool in 2026 requires focusing on simplicity and reliability. For beginners, the ideal choice balances manageable recoil with intuitive safety features to ensure confidence in high-pressure moments. Explore the top-rated options designed for ease of use and consistent performance, ensuring that personal safety remains accessible for those just starting their protection journey. Number 10. Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. The Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS optic system is a globally recognized 9x19mm Luger semi-automatic pistol specifically engineered to provide versatility for duty, self-defense, and sport shooting through its integrated optics ready slide. This compact-sized firearm features a 4.02-inch Glock marksman barrel GMB that utilizes enhanced rifling for superior accuracy and a modified crown for better precision. Technically, it has an overall length of 7.28 inches, a width of 1.34 inches, and stands 5.04 inches high when including the standard 15-round magazine. Its construction involves a durable polymer frame and a stainless steel slide treated with a hard, corrosion-resistant NDLC, like Norman finish, which ensures longevity even in adverse conditions. Ergonomic refinements include the removal of finger grooves to accommodate a wider variety of hand sizes, a flared magazine well for high-speed reloads, and an ambidextrous slide stop lever combined with a reversible magazine catch for full left or right-handed operation. Safety is managed by the Safe Action System, which uses 3 independent internal mechanisms: the trigger, firing pin, and drop safeties to prevent accidental discharge. The original retail price for a new Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS is typically $745, though market prices often range between $620 and $699. Number 9. Sig Sauer P320 X Macro Comp. The Sig Sauer P320 X Macro Comp is a groundbreaking 9mm semi-automatic pistol that redefines the relationship between compact size and firepower by offering a 17+1 round capacity in a remarkably slim profile. This model features a 3.1-inch carbon steel barrel paired with an integrally compensated slide, which uses gas to push the muzzle down to reduce recoil and muzzle flip for faster, more accurate follow-up shots. Its technical dimensions include an overall length of 6.6 inches, a height of 5.2 inches, and a thin width of just 1.1 inches, making it easy to conceal despite its duty-sized magazine capacity. The pistol is built with a macro compact polymer grip module that includes a standard 1913 Picatinny rail for mounting full-size tactical lights and 3 interchangeable back straps to fit various hand sizes. It comes standard with X-Ray 3 day/night tritium sights and an optics-ready slide that is compatible with the Romeo X Compact and other micro red dot sights. The trigger is a flat-faced striker-fired design that provides a clean break, and the handgun weighs approximately 21.5 ounces when unloaded. For durability, the stainless steel slide is finished with a nitron coating to resist corrosion. The original MSRP for the Sig Sauer P320 X Macro Comp is approximately $829.99, though it can often be found at retail for between $799 and $829. Number 8. Smith & Wesson M&P 9 M2.0 Full Size. The Smith & Wesson M&P 9 M2.0 Full Size is a robust striker-fired 9-memory pistol engineered for duty, competition, and home defense, featuring a 4.25-inch stainless steel barrel with a 1 in 10-inch twist for high-level accuracy. This firearm is built with an extended stainless steel internal chassis to reduce flex during firing and a low barrel bore axis that significantly minimizes muzzle rise, allowing for rapid follow-up shots. Its technical profile includes an overall length of 7.4 inches, a height of 5.5 inches, and a width of 1.3 inches, with an unloaded weight of approximately 24.7 to 26.7 ounces depending on the specific model. The pistol is distinguished by its optimal 18-degree grip angle for a natural point of aim and an aggressive grip texture that ensures control even in wet conditions. It utilizes a 17 plus 1 round magazine capacity and comes with 4 interchangeable Palmswell grip inserts, small, medium, large, and LAR, to provide a customized fit for different hand sizes. Standard features include the improved M2.0 trigger with a crisp break and tactile/audible reset, white 3-dot sights, and a durable Armorite corrosion-resistant finish. The original MSRP for the standard full-size model ranges from approximately $629 to $679, while optics-ready or metal frame variants can reach $949. Number 7 Walther PDP FOV pitch. Full size with a 5-inch barrel, is a striker-fired 9-memory handgun designed with a focus on modularity, ergonomics, and precision. It features a 5-inch barrel that incorporates a step chamber for increased projectile velocity and a longer sight radius, which assists in maintaining accuracy over distance. Dimensions for this specific model include an overall length of 8.5 inches, a height of 5.7 inches, and a slide width of 1.34 inches, with an empty weight of approximately 26.9 ounces. A significant technical feature is the performance duty trigger, which is engineered for a predictable break and a short reset to aid in consistent shot placement. The frame is designed with a high-texture grip pattern and a unique grip angle intended to assist with natural pointing and recoil management. Furthermore, the slide includes deep super-terrain serrations for easier manual operation and comes optics-ready, supporting various red dot sights through a system of interchangeable mounting plates. The original manufacturer's suggested retail price for the Walther PDP 5-inch full-size is approximately $699. Doe 0, though market prices may vary based on specific configurations and regional availability. This firearm represents a shift toward modern duty requirements, combining high-capacity magazines with a versatile frame size suitable for a wide range of professional and sporting applications. Number 6. Smith & Wesson Equalizer. The Smith & Wesson Equalizer is a micro-compact 9-Emery semi-automatic pistol designed to bridge the gap between high-capacity defensive firearms and the user-friendly EZ technology for which the brand is known. This internal hammer-fired, single-action pistol features a 3.675-inch stainless steel barrel and an overall length of 6.75 inches, maintaining a slim 1.04-inch width and a height of 4.5 inches. One of its most significant technical achievements is the easy-to-rack slide, which requires significantly less force to manipulate than traditional striker-fired pistols, making it an ideal choice for shooters with limited hand strength. The handgun is highly versatile, shipping with 3 magazines of varying capacities, 10, 13, and 15 rounds, allowing users to choose between maximum concealability or a full 15+1 round duty-style payload. Standard features include an optics-ready slide with a Shield RMSC footprint, a crisp single-action trigger with a tactile reset, and an integrated Picatinny-style rail for mounting lights or lasers. Safety is managed through a passive grip safety and an optional manual thumb safety, ensuring secure carry while maintaining a natural 18-degree point of aim. The original manufacturer's suggested retail price for the Smith & Wesson Equalizer is $599, though market prices typically range between $499 and $549 depending on the retailer and specific bundle options. Number 5. CZ-P10C. The CZ-P10C is a highly advanced striker-fired compact 9-member pistol from the Czech Republic, designed to compete directly with industry standards like the Glock 19 by offering superior ergonomics and an exceptional factory trigger. This firearm features a 4.02-inch cold hammer forged barrel with a durable nitride finish, an overall length of 7.3 inches, a height of 5.2 inches, and a width of 1.26 inches, weighing approximately 26 ounces with an empty magazine. Its fiberglass reinforced polymer frame is renowned for its aggressive grip texturing and natural 18-degree point of aim, similar to the iconic CZ-75, which ensures a secure hold even in wet conditions. Technical highlights include a crisp trigger with a very short tactile and audible reset, ambidextrous slide stops, and a reversible magazine catch to accommodate both left and right-handed shooters. For safety, it utilizes a trigger safety blade, a trigger bar safety, and a firing pin block to ensure it is drop safe. The pistol typically ships with a 15+1 round capacity, though 17-round extended magazines are also available, along with 3 interchangeable backstraps to customize grip size. The original MSRP for the standard CZ-P10C started around $499 to $599, but following a significant price reduction by the manufacturer, it is now frequently available at retail for as low as $399 to $449. Number 4, Canik METE SFT. The Canik METE SFT is a high-performance, full-size 9-memory striker-fired pistol that represents an evolution in the Canik lineup, specifically engineered to provide premium features at a budget-friendly price point for duty, defense, and competition. This model is built around a 4.46-inch match-grade barrel, offering a well-balanced platform with an overall length of 7.56 inches, a height of 5.72 inches, and a width of 1.41 inches. Technically, it is distinguished by its optics-ready slide that features a co-witnessing cut, allowing users to mount micro-optics like the Trijicon RMR-CC or Shield RM's footprints while retaining the use of their iron sights. The ergonomic enhancements are significant, including an integrally flared magazine well for high-speed reloads, aggressive grip texturing for maximum stability, and a double undercut trigger guard that enables a higher, more controlled grip on the firearm. One of its most acclaimed features is the flat-face trigger, which offers a crisp break and an incredibly short tactile reset for rapid follow-up shots. The pistol is highly modular, allowing for complete disassembly using only the included Canik punch, and it typically ships with an extensive accessory kit containing 18 and 20-round magazines, a reversible holster, and interchangeable backstraps. The original manufacturer's suggested retail price for the Canik METE SFT is approximately $520, although it is frequently found at retail for between $475 and $499. Number 3, Springfield Armory Echelon. The Springfield Armory Echelon is a groundbreaking modular 9mm striker fired duty pistol designed around the innovative Central Operating Group, a self-contained and serialized stainless steel chassis that allows the fire control unit to be easily swapped between different grip modules. This full-size handgun features a 4.5-inch hammer forged steel barrel with a melanite finish for superior durability and a 110 twist rate for exceptional accuracy. Its technical specifications include an overall length of 8 inches, a height of 5.5 inches with the flush magazine, and a slim width of 1.2 inches, weighing approximately 23.9 ounces when unloaded. A standout feature is the patent-pending variable interface system, which utilizes a unique pin lock system to allow the direct mounting of over 30 different optics footprints without the need for adapter plates, ensuring a low profile and secure fit. The pistol comes standard with a tactical rack you.Sight system, featuring a tritium/luminescent front post and a U-notch rear for rapid target acquisition. For maximum control, the Echelon offers fully ambidextrous slide stops and magazine releases, complemented by an aggressive adaptive grip texture and 3 interchangeable backstraps to fit various hand sizes. It typically ships with one 17-round flush magazine and one 20-round extended magazine. The original MSRP for the standard Springfield Armory Echelon is $679, with specialized versions like the threaded barrel or compensated models ranging from $739 to $784. Number 2, Sig Sauer P320. The Sig Sauer P320 is a revolutionary striker, fired semi-automatic pistol distinguished by its unique modular design, centered around a serialized stainless steel fire control unit that allows users to swap grip modules and calibers without purchasing a new firearm. In its standard 9mm full-size configuration, the pistol features a 4.7-inch carbon steel barrel with a DLC coating and offers a magazine capacity of 17+1 rounds. Technically, the full-size model measures 8 inches in overall length, stands 5.5 inches high, and has a width of 1.3 inches, with an unloaded weight of approximately 29.4 ounces. It is equipped with an integrated M1913 Picatinny rail for accessories and typically includes Siglite night sights on an optics-ready slide featuring the Pro footprint. The P320 platform gained global prominence after being selected as the official sidearm for the U.S. Army and Marine Corps under the M17 and M18 designations. Safety features include a striker safety and disconnect safety, with optional manual thumb safeties available on specific variants. The original manufacturer's suggested retail price for the standard Nitron full-size or compact models is approximately $649.99, though it can frequently be found at retail for between $499 and $549.99. Premium or specialized models such as the X Series or Legion variants can range in price from $729.99 to over $1,090. Number 1. Smith & Wesson M&P Shield EZ 380 ACP. The Smith & Wesson M&P 380 Shield EZ is a specialized semi-automatic pistol designed specifically for individuals who prioritize ease of use, making it a leading choice for home defense and personal protection among those with limited hand strength. Built on an internal hammer-fired single-action system, this .380 APP caliber firearm features a 3.675-inch stainless steel barrel and an overall length of 6.7 inches, with a slim width of 1.15 inches and a height of 5.0 inches. Its most distinctive technical feature is the easy-to-rack slide, which is significantly lighter to manipulate than standard striker-fired alternatives, paired with a magazine that includes a load assist tab for effortless loading of its 8+1 round capacity. The pistol weighs 18.5 ounces when empty and is constructed with a high-strength polymer frame and an Armorite finished stainless steel slide for maximum corrosion resistance. Safety is a primary focus, featuring both a tactile loaded chamber indicator and a prominent grip safety that must be depressed for the gun to fire, with optional manual thumb safety models available. The trigger is crisp with a light pull and a tactile reset, while the sights are a white 3-dot configuration that are windage adjustable. The original manufacturer's suggested retail price for the M&P 380 Shield EZ is approximately $454, though it is commonly found at retail stores for between $399 and $429. Selecting the perfect self-defense pistol is just the beginning of your safety journey in 2026. Prioritizing reliability, ergonomics, and ease of use ensures you have a tool you can trust when it matters most. However, the best firearm is only as effective as the person behind it. Commit to professional training and regular range practice to master your chosen sidearm. Stay informed, stay prepared, and take the next step toward confident, responsible personal protection today.